You're a cool guy and you got your shit together, but yet you're thinking to yourself, why am I not getting these stunners? Excuse me, guys. Hi, I just had to say you have the happiest vibe I've seen today.
Thank you.
The happiest vibe.
No,
Yeah, you look like a tourist.
yeah, we are.
Hey bro, it's Nav in Prague, and today we're going to be diving into why you're not getting these incredible results in your dating life that you should be, that you know you deserve, but you're not getting it. So let me explain a little bit. Dating and business, they're quite similar. So in business, imagine you've got an amazing product, the best product in the world, but no marketing. No one knows about this product. And for that reason, no one ever buys the product. But yet, you've got an average product and you've got incredible marketing, right? But what happens is, because of the amazing marketing, this product sells like crazy. Maybe people are not even happy and they don't even recommend it to anyone. But just because the marketing is so good, they're just selling these products non-stop. Now, when you think about your dating life, right, it's exactly the same, because you're the product. So you're amazing right now, you've made it in life, but you're not doing any marketing. No girls know about you. And that's where cold approaching comes in. Cold approaching is a marketing tool for you to meet amazing women and to put yourself out there, right? Because there's a lot of women right now that would be dreaming to be with a guy like you, but they don't know you. You're from like Sweden?
No, but you can take another guess.
Slovakia?
No.
No?
No. But you're
I-
close.
Sorry?
You are close.
To Slovakia?
No. Yes.
Oh, I don't know. Close to Slovakia is Ukraine?
No. Close. But closer.
Really? I don't even know how I'm getting so close.
Yeah, but you're close.
Oh, so close. Poland?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I was actually in Krakow. It's nice, like Old Town, and yeah, but the Polish girls, they love drinking, what's that one? Not vodka, raki? Is it?
Vodka, yeah.
Vodka, yeah?
Vodka.
Yeah. Code approaching is this incredible superpower that puts you in control of your dating life. So you go out there, you meet beautiful women, right? And it's a win-win for everyone, because women are looking for guys just like you as well. But until you go out there and you say hello, they're not going to know who you are. They're not going to know how amazing of a product that you are, right? So that's what I suggest for you to do, is to go out and just start conversations, and you'd be surprised, man. Maybe you don't even need to improve your game, to a crazy level. Maybe it's just going to be a couple months of practice for you, and you're going to take that marketing to another level and get some incredible results on the way.
I prefer Wrocław because it's green. You can always sit somewhere.
Oh,
But
like a
it's
grass.
really similar, actually.
Yeah.
The size of the city is similar. It's not that big, so it's okay.
Yeah.
But we don't have metro.
Yeah,
Ah.
that's true. I mean, in Wrocław, yes. We don't.
How do you guys get around, like with the horses, or
Here,
or you guys should get one of these?
no,